Discussions in the Congress to decide on candidates for the 10 disputed seats, including Nemam, are in progress at Delhi Kerala House. Though Oommen Chandy and Ramesh Chennithala have returned home, Mullapalli, who is still in Delhi, is continuing discussions with the national leadership. The main discussion is being held with AICC General Secretary Tariq Anwar, who is responsible for Kerala. The Congress is contesting in 91 constituencies. Maintaining the suspense in Nemam, the Congress on Friday reached an agreement on the candidates in 81 constituencies. Besides Nemam, Kollam, Kundara, Thripoonathara, Nilambur, Kalpetta, Aranmula, Kanyirapalli, Pattambi and Tavanur are the constituencies where disagreement exists. The High Command also expressed dissatisfaction over the persistence of the dispute without finalizing the candidates list. Though Oommen Chandy's name is currently marked for Pudupalli, the vacancy in Nemam is an indication that his candidature may be moved to that constituency. According to party sources, if a strong candidate other than Oommen Chandy is found in Pudupalli, he may be moved to Nemam. The High Command has given the state leadership the freedom to make appropriate decisions in the case of Nemam. At the same time, the Congress leadership is wondering whether Oommen Chandy should contest in Nemam, whether this issue should be given so much importance. The Congress has doubts whether the CPM and BJP would unite against Oommen Chandy in Nemam, and in that case, he would not be able to campaign elsewhere. On Saturday, the Congress leaders will hand over the finalized names of the candidates for the constituencies where decisions are not yet taken. While Oommen Chandy is arguing in favor of K. Babu for the Thripoonathara constituency, a decision on it is not taken yet. Instead of K. Babu, there is a consideration for the former Netherlands ambassador Venu Rajamani. The Central Election Commission, chaired by interim President Sonia Gandhi, had approved the names of candidates for the 81 constituencies. The disputed constituencies and names under consideration are as follows: Nilambur, T. Siddiq, V.V. Prakash; Kalpetta, Sajeev Joseph, P.D. Saji, K.C. Rosikutti; Pattambi, T. Siddiq, KSBA Tangal; Aranmula, Rahul Mangutam, Shivadasan Nair, P. Mohanraj; Thripoonathara, K. Babu, Venu Rajamani; Kollam, P.C. Vishnunath, Bindu Krishna; Kundara, Bindu Krishna, but she clarified that she is not going to contest in Kundara. In Kanyirapalli, Joseph Varakan's name was almost confirmed, but there was a disagreement at the last moment. News Desk, Kaumudi, English.